Hello, my name is Toussant Henry with Henry's Family Farm. I am glad that I had the opportunity to be a part of CNI Solutions entrepreneurship course. I have learned a lot from this class. I have met great friends that I believe will be lifelong friends, a great business network. I have learned how to focus my business, learned a little bit of the importance of having good accounting, how to start my business from scratch. And now I'm just super excited for all the information that I have received. And I believe it's truly going to help our business to be a great success. And what we have been doing so far within the business is we have implemented one of the things that I learned, such as the importance of bartering. Basically, instead of always having to exchange cash for a service, I can exchange service for service. So I'm grateful to CNI Solutions, and I just look forward to seeing you around at Henry's Family Farm, where we grow all our produce naturally for your best health.